Chicken Alfredo recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. Today we will share with you how to cook Chicken Alfredo recipe. Keep watching the video. Ingredients: 1/4 kilogram spaghetti, 1/4 kilogram chicken thigh, 1 sachet Magic Sarap 8 grams, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground pepper, 2 tablespoons butter, 4 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, ½ cup fresh milk, 1 package all-purpose cream 125 milliliters, 1 cup water, 6 tablespoons grated cheese, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon parsley. How to cook. Instruction. Step 1, 10 minutes, boil pasta according to package direction. Step 2, 10 minutes, season chicken with ½ sachet of Magic Sarap and of pepper. Sauté chicken in butter. Add garlic and onion. Pour fresh milk, all-purpose cream and water. Stir in cheese and simmer. Season with remaining ½ sachet of Magic Sarap. Season with pepper and nutmeg. Step 3, 5 minutes, strain spaghetti and toss in the sauce and parsley. Transfer on a serving plate and serve immediately. Cooking time, 35 minutes. Reference, Maggi. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, Kiel Vlogs. We will be happy if you leave comments, like and share this video. Till next time.